A beak is to a bird what a mouth is to a human, right? Well, only partially. The beak is far more versatile than the human mouth. So let us discover what these uses are. Probably the most dedicated of the feeders is the male grey hornbill. For the entire period of almost 2 months that the female and the chicks are incarcerated inside the nest, the male takes the responsibility of feeding them. Not only do birds feed themselves, they also feed the chicks till they are big enough to fend for themselves. This is true of altricial chicks who cannot see or fend for themselves at birth, unlike precocial chicks like that of the chicken who can see as soon as they are born. We do hope you enjoyed part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 of The Beak of the Bird, which will air shortly.